Windows shows the logo, spins, restarts, and then just a black screen. But your mouse still works? This usually happens after cloning or restoring your disk, and most people don't know the real fix. You see the Windows logo? Spinning dots. Then after a few attempts, black screen. In most cases, Windows actually loads, but fails because the system drive mapping is broken. You can fix this manually by editing the offline registry, but it's risky and easy to break your system. The easiest and safest way is to fix it automatically using a Lazesoft Recovery Suite. It's completely free for home users and works even when Windows won't boot. First, create a bootable recovery USB on another computer. Then boot your problem computer from the USB drive. Open Lazesoft Recovery Suite. Click Windows Recovery and choose Windows Installation. Click One, click Fix. The tool automatically repairs boot files, system files, and most importantly, the registry mapping. This registry fix is what resolves the black screen problem. When it finishes, restart your computer. Windows will now boot normally. No loop, no black screen. If this helped you, check the link below and download Lazesoft Recovery Suite, free for home users.